And when there are updates in the story, but for now we move on and shift our focus to what's happening in the national capital, where after the political clash that unfolded inside the parliament premises on December 19th, where Rahul Gandhi was hit by assault gate. Now we learned that the CISF DIG has said that there was no lapses on the part of the CISF. So that's the latest statement that's coming in from the CISF DIG, saying that there were no lapses on their part, and that the brawl was between the Congress and the BJP Member of Parliament. Remember, it was on December 19 when Rahul Gandhi was hit by assault gate, where there were two Member of Parliaments that were injured allegedly by Rahul Gandhi. Harsha, my colleague, joins me live on the broadcast. Harsha, Delhi police has officially begun probe in the assault gates case. Tell us more about when will the scene be recreated?
The recreation of the theme and the timeline has not yet been decided, but we have got to know that the CISF has the Delhi police have seeked the permission from Speaker Om Birla to recreate the scene where the entire altercation and assault took place. But today we have got to know that the CISF DG has released a statement where he has clearly stated that there was no lapse from the side of CISF. And Tanisha, this is true because the very day when this altercation took place, we were there reporting from the Makar Dwar. We saw how CISF officials gave the entire route and path to the opposition leaders to go inside the parliament. But rather than going inside the parliament and using that passage, they indulged in head-on-head with the BJP leaders, with the NDA leaders. And that is reason why Rahul Gandhi at that particular point of time, he pushed Pratap Sarangi, and also Mukesh Rajput, the leader, was severely injured. But today we have got to know that till now Rahul Gandhi and the opposition was attacking CISF for their not making the route and the path. But CISF DG has clearly said that there was no lapses on the side of CISF. The evidence, the CCTV footage is also with the CISF and also with the Delhi police official at the entrance of the Makar Dwar. There are almost 3 CCTV cameras which have clearly captured what happened that time at the scene, how Rahul Gandhi pushed, how Priyanka Gandhi was not ready to take the safe passage. She was continuously indulging in the altercation and verbal altercation also took place with the CISF official. So the breaking update is that there was no lapse. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Harsha, for giving us all those details. It's time for us to move on to other stories that we're tracking, and this one is from Uttar Pradesh, where in a joint operation by the Uttar Pradesh and Punjab police, 3 pro-Khalistani terrorists were killed in an encounter in Uttar